Good evening everyone. How are you all? Hope you are doing good. So in the last class we were talking about carbocation stability, and the next topic is your rearrangement, ठीक ना? Which is the last part of the syllabus for this week. High voltage match going on, but we have class. Okay, so we will see the last ending part. Although there was a high twist and turn from the match, also we learned something. Ki ending matters a lot. Okay, na? How you started, that is important, but how you went through the last of the phases, that is also important. No. We all started our journey from you can say June. After May, we gave the test and then we started our journey from June. So in the beginning, to everyone do well. Everyone does well. They study nicely, they work hard. But slowly and gradually what happens when it is the month of November and December? Things start changing. So that also happened in the match. Initially, everything was good for Pakistan. Then there was a fall of wicket regularly after a regular interval, and the interval was very less. So like this only we have to think the last overs are important, so last months are also important. So from November to March, what you do in this November to March, that will decide your selection. Initial things are also important, but last things are more important. Clear? So we learn from everywhere. Okay, so you are solving it? Rest students. Acha, are you getting the recorded video of the lecture on the app? Bhavani, Viseshya, Srinidhi, 132432412121. No. So if you miss the lecture, then what happens? If you miss the lecture, then what happens? Gaya? Acha. So those who miss the lecture means there is no option. That means attendance is compulsory. Attendance is compulsory. So we will be on time. Acha. Syam, Lalita, Nanush, Narayana, Govinda. Okay. And you get any notification when the class starts on the app? Vanilla, Monica. Yes, okay. So at least notification is there. So they tell us, ki bhai, come and join. Otherwise, gone. Okay, Indupriya, Srikara, Ashwati. App open करने के बाद आता है. Attendance is compulsory, but what if? Okay, Chaitanya. ठीक है, fine. So let's see this question and then we'll go to the next part. So in the last class we discussed ki there are 3-4 which are really, or you can say highly unstable carbocation, out of which one was bridgehead carbocation, then there was phenyl carbocation, then there was vinyl carbocation. ठीक है ना? we were seeing that thing here, a hybridization of that phenyl carbocation, not clear. Bridgehead carbocation, not clear. It is in between two things. ठीक है ना? Okay, so you will clearly find here that this is a bridgehead carbocation. Don't think like this, sir. This is 3 degree. This is bridgehead carbocation. This is beside bridgehead. Okay, so what factors we will apply? This is more important. What factors we are going to apply, that is more important. ठीक है ना? So we will see this is alpha position. So you can get here one hyperconjugation. अच्छा, bridgehead carbon does not, or bridgehead hydrogen does not participates in hyperconjugation. Bridgehead hydrogen does not participates in hyperconjugation. So this is also true. Bridgehead hydrogen does not participates in tautomerism also. ठीक ना? Because if you will try to do hyperconjugation or tautomerism, double bond will come there, which is highly unstable again. Here, what you will say? This is my this is my alpha. Okay, plus I is always there. ठीक ना? We can say कि we are having two hyperconjugating structures also. ठीक है? Fine. Now here what you will say? कि this is 1 degree. And this position is alpha, and we are having 1 degree one hyperconjugation. Clear? So according to this, if we see A, B, C, D type, so who is more stable? Or 1, 2, 3, 4 as you are saying. So 3 is more stable. Then what is there? Then you can say 2 is more stable. See, both are having 1 degree, one hyperconjugation, but this is a 2 degree. This is a 2 degree carbocation, and that is a 1 degree carbocation. ठीक है ना? Plus I is less. You can say plus I. Plus I is also more. Here you can say plus I less. Plus I less. So the order is like this: 3, 2, 4, and the least stable is 1. Today only, Karthikeya, we will start today, sir. In third option, CS3 also get alpha. Third option, this one also get. So you can say 3 plus 2, 5 we can say. Okay, very good. So we can say 3 plus 2, 5. Correct. Gautami. 3, 2, 4, 1 is the correct answer. ठीक है? Okay, come to the next part. What you tell in the second one? What is the order of stability? And you also tell the reason. See, question solving is very important in organic chemistry. Now you tell, what do you think? Which one is more stable? 1 and 2? 2 is more stable. Why 2 is more stable than 1? Why 2 is more stable than 1? What we can say? Resonance, we can say extended. See what will happen in this case. You can do from here, this will come here, this will go there, this will come here. So we are having extended resonance, but in this case what will happen now? Only this much is there, because see, positive, single, double, then what is there? Single means here what happens? Conjugation stops. You can say here extended conjugation. Is it clear to everyone? Double, single, positive. Is it okay? ठीक है? So these are few questions which we are talking about stability of carbocation, and always keep in mind, correct thing, one of you mentioned that anti-aromatic and aromatic. Keep in mind anti-aromatic and aromatic thing. Anti-aromatic and aromatic. ठीक है ना? Because generally we miss it. So if anywhere it is becoming anti-aromatic, ठीक है ना? Means that carbocation will not be formed. Reaction tendency will be very less. Is it okay? Okay. So we will go to the next point. In first example, how I less and I more. Okay. See, in these two cases, first example we are not saying anything. First example was unstable only. Second and fourth example we were talking. सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ, ठीक है ना. हाइपर कंजुगेशन इज सेम इन बोथ. So how to tell? This is 2 degree, so you can get plus I from this side also, from this side also. But in that case, atoms are far, so you can get from only one side. Okay, so keep this in mind. Anti-aromatic, highly unstable, correct. So is it okay to everyone? These two questions are clear? Kusuma? Okay, so now we'll finally go to the next part, that is your rearrangement of carbocation. Rearrangement of carbocation. From the name only it is clear कि we are going to rearrange, means again malli rearrangement, ठीक है ना. Why we are doing rearrangement? We will have some benefit, then only we are doing na. Without benefit no one do anything. So what is the benefit we are having? If we get more stability, then I will try rearrangement. Keep this in mind. We don't rearrange to become less stable, we rearrange to get more stable and a bit significant also, ठीक है ना. So you can say कि it is done to become what? To become more stable. It is done to become what? More stable. Two things are there in this. First part is there, that is your bond shifting, or you can start with group shifting because group shifting is easy. First part is your group shifting and second part is your bond shifting. Bond shifting can be again divided into two parts, that is your ring expansion and what you can say, batao, what do you know? Ring contraction. The other thing can be what? Ring contraction, ठीक है. Ring expansion and ring contraction. Is it okay? ठीक है. Group shifting, we are having here many things. Few things I will highlight, like phenyl shift, we do methyl shift, we do hydride shift. These three things we are going to do here. Is it okay? So let's start with the easy one, that is your group shifting. ठीक है. So take any example. Like suppose we have an example CS3, C, CS3 and here we have CH2 plus. Now you just see one hydrogen is also here, ठीक है. You just see here कि this is a electron deficient carbon and this is a simple 1 degree carbon. This is a simple 1 degree carbon. Having how many alpha hydrogen? This position is alpha. Only one alpha hydrogen, means only one hyperconjugation, and few plus I. Now you will think, if anyhow this positive charge goes here, na, then to by miracle. As you were thinking, anyhow 3-4 wickets are down, then what? Fun. So same thing here. Anyhow this carbocation goes to this position. बल्ले बल्ले, ठीक है ना. So how it will go? It will not go on its own, na. You will have to break something from here. Take his bond. It will become deficient. So what I did, I did like this. This was CS3. This is CS3. I took his H minus hydride full. H minus gone. Now it is left with only 3 bonds. Now it is left with only 3 bonds. Now what? I will take this H and I will give it to him. ठीक है. So this is happy. But who is now deficient? Who is sad? The middle carbon. It is becoming carbocation. ठीक है ना. So now, but the carbocation here formed is more stable. ठीक है ना, 9 हाइपर कंजुगेशन 3 डिग्री. Is it okay? This one is only known as hydride shift. You know hydride means what? H minus. So this is one position, this is second position. We write it like this: 1 2 hydride shift. This is known as 1 2 hydride shift. Now 9 hyperconjugating structures, 3 degree carbocation, stable. Now one thing can come in your mind, sir, you have displaced this hydride. Why you did not displace this methyl group from here? Why you did not displace the methyl group from here? Can you tell? You can say na ki sir, instead of this hydrogen na, you remove this methyl and put it here. What do you think? We are doing hydride shift. Why we are not doing methyl shift? Array, because methyl is important. See, this carbon, when positive charge came here, this methyl group, they are stabilizing it by hyperconjugation plus I. Suppose you have migrated this methyl only to this position, then who will stabilize it? So we don't migrate those groups, we don't shift those groups which are more necessary for stability. ठीक है ना? Like suppose we are taking class only in offline mode, suppose. Otherwise online thing is there. Okay, online thing is there, and we say ki someone will have to disconnect his internet connection, or internet connection, cut it, disconnect it. You disconnected my connection only. Then how you will do the class? Suppose there is a condition ki now we are having approximately 200 students in the class, ठीक है ना? And we say कि one will have to sacrifice. His internet connection should be removed. Then whose internet connection he will remove? My. So we should remove that boy internet connection or that girl internet connection. Suppose who is not studying, who is not making notes, ठीक है ना? We will say कि अरे disconnect him. No problem. ठीक है ना? What you are doing? कि अरे disconnect sir only. Then who will take the class? Who will complete the syllabus? ठीक है ना? So this is the logic. So methyl is important for stability. You just try to remove once, see what will happen. You will get 2 degree. देखो यहाँ पे I am showing you also, because when we make it na, we understand more. Suppose I am doing 1 2 methyl shift. So what will happen na, ki this H will be here only. This methyl is here. This CH2 got the methyl. Now this is positive. Check the degree. By only 2 degree. Less stable. We will not do this. We will not do this. ठीक है ना? So based on this, there is a shifting order. Based on this, there is a shifting order. Ki first we shift hydrogen only. Because what happens na? From hydrogen we are not getting anything. From hydrogen we are not getting anything. Then we will try to shift alkyl group. Generally methyl we are having, theek hai? Shift the methyl. Hyperconjugation is gone. In the third case, you try to shift the phenyl group. No option is there. Then we shift phenyl group. Why? Because phenyl is important for resonance. Methyl is important for hyperconjugation, which is more stabilizing effect. Resonance. Okay? So now let's take another example. So from here we come to know कि अरे H is there, methyl is there, shift H. Now let's take other example. Again same thing is there, but in place of one methyl we are putting a ring. Same thing. Positive charge is here, and here also we are having a methyl group. Now what do you think? What we are going to do? Again we will do some shifting. This is one position, this is 2 position. We have 2 options. One option is this कि phenyl को shift. Second option is methyl shift. What do you think? What we should do? Methyl shift or phenyl shift? We should do methyl shift. So 1 to methyl shift, from 1 you put it here. So finally what you are getting? You will get a benzene ring and what? CS3. This CS3 will come here and carbocation will be here. Now you can clearly see this benzene ring is very important. It is stabilizing the carbocation. It is stabilizing the carbocation. Is it okay? Okay? So from here we come to know what we learn from here. If you are having option methyl and phenyl, I will shift methyl, not phenyl. Is it okay? So we have studied methyl shift, phenyl shift, hydride shift, like this. Is it clear? So now you have to tell something. You have to tell in one question. Is it okay till here? If you are having any doubt, tell. Is it okay till this point? Sir, can we say less bulkier? Don't means try to do it on the basis of bulkiness. Okay, na? Try to see it on the basis of electronic effects. Okay, na? See the original region. I am not removing this methyl group because it is heavy. I am not removing because this is resonance stabilizing. Okay, na? So see according to the effect. You can say in this way, no problem. Sekara, you can say, because that octet was getting complete. We will see one of the question here again. Again, we will see one question based on that. Keep that in mind also, very important. Is it okay? Okay. So now, few questions we are having. Okay. And in these questions, you have to tell rearrangement will take place or not. Rearrangement is possible or not? If yes, how? In the first case, what will happen? Batao. Jaldi. Everyone now. Ready? Few questions will do. This part will be over. Okay, na? So you know, bhai, this is 1 degree. I can get what? 2 degree. How you will get this hydrogen? You put here. So I will do what? 1, 2 hydride shift. Take na? So CS3 will be here. CH will be here. This is CH2. I will take his hydrogen, put it here. Hydrogen, in fact, not hydride, H minus with the bond. Carbocation will come here. Now this is 2 degree. Let's see the second part. Methyl किधर कर दिया भाई? Where is methyl? Third case. Okay, very good. Rajni. So again we will think here. Here you are having one hydrogen. Put it here. Then what will happen? This carbocation will become like this. This is 3 degree. So this is also what? 1, 2 hydride shift. Is it okay? In the third case, what you will think? In the third case, this group you put here. So this is what? 1, 2 methyl shift. From 2 degree, this is also 3 degree. This was 1 degree. Here also I will have some benefit, I think. CS3, CS3. This is CH. I will put one CS3 group here, one CS3 group here. Carbocation is here. Is it okay? So now again I am getting a 3 degree carbocation. Methyl shift. So hope these questions are clear to everyone. Bolo, is it okay? Fine? Okay. Come to the next part. Acha then, notes so you are getting by sharing, na? Then fine. Come to the next question now. Next two questions we are having this. What to do with this? 4, 5. What to do with this? 4, 5. Group shifting is more important as compared to bond shifting. ठीक है ना? Group shifting is more important. How to do it? Can you tell? You will have to talk, na? You have paid the money. So they will more listen to you. Okay? So what will happen? Here we are having a hydrogen. Put this hydrogen here with the bond. Hydride shift. So again same thing. 1, 2. Hydride shift. So whatever problem you have, you talk once. If possibility is there, they will do it. Okay? And but although at last you get the notes, so doesn't matter much. Na? Fifth case, no rearrangement. Why? Why in the fifth case we don't have any rearrangement? We can do 1,2-methyl shift. 2 degree will become 3 degree. Is it okay now? So in all the cases we have to do shifting. So hope this group shifting is clear to everyone. Hope this group shifting part is clear to everyone. Done? Simple questions. Okay. So now let's talk about the next one. Next one is what? Bond shifting. And why we are doing the bond shifting part? To expand the ring or to contract the ring. So generally what is happening now? We know that 5-6 membered rings are more stable. So if you are having a 4-membered ring, it can go to 5. 5-membered ring, it can go to 6. So this is the case of ring expansion. Okay? 5-6 membered rings are more stable. Fifth example is this one. Check what is the degree of this carbocation now. 2 degree. When you shift it, then what will be the degree? How many hyperconjugation now? 2 hyperconjugation only. When you will shift it, you will get alpha, alpha, alpha. Sir, can't we take hydrogen from C present down in the last question? ठीक है? As you wish. You will say, I will do it. Try to do. If I take the hydrogen from here, he is saying I can take hydrogen from here. If I take hydrogen from here, hydrogen will come here, carbocation will come here. Now see what you are getting. Before also 2 degree, now also 2 degree. In fact, now you are less stable. Although we don't care this much, but now you are less stable. Less plus I is there. Resting though does not change much significantly. Significant change should be there. Hyperconjugation may change a bit. Yes, you can say due to hyperconjugation we are getting something more. Okay, fine. But which one is better? You go for the better option. You go for a better option. You get the recliner seat in a cinema hall and you get the front seat. Which one you will prefer? Both are free of cost. Huh? You will prefer the recliner one. More and more stability, better options. We go for the better options. Okay? So this is less better, you can say. This is what? Less better. Although we can say ki more stable a bit. Okay, na? Because 2 hyperconjugation here, 2 hyperconjugation here. But that is far better. Clear? That's it. Okay. Now come to the next part. Bond shifting. So we are doing ring expansion and then we are doing ring contraction. Ring contraction in which case? Suppose we are having a 7-membered ring. Now what to do? Come to 6. There is one more part. 4-membered ring is there, we come to 3. Now you will think, hey, how this happened? Generally we make the ring big. Why you are doing this? 4 to 3. Here you said 4 to 5. So different conditions are there. Different conditions are there. Is it okay? Okay. Come to the next part now. 7 to 6, 7 to 3 is not there. Ring, membered ring. 7 membered ring will be reduced to 6 membered ring. 4 membered ring will be reduced to 3 membered ring. Clear, Hemant? We will see examples, you will come to know. Like suppose you are having this. Is it okay? See, you will find one similarity after doing few questions now. You will find one similarity. What similarity you will see? You know, ki whenever we are doing ring expansion, see, keep this in mind. Whenever we are doing ring expansion, positive charge was outside the ring. Positive charge was outside the ring. Ring shifting is not in NCERT, so we will do 2 examples. Aipo hindi. Okay na? Although nothing rearrangement they are telling in details, they have just made the conclusion. But ring shifting less chance, so we will do only 1-2 questions, not more than that. Okay? Okay. So what we have to see here, you can study in priority order. First you have to see group shifting, then you can see bond shifting. Now you see here, positive charge is outside. In case of ring expansion, always positive charge will be outside the ring. Now see, generally what we are saying na ki 4 membered ring, 3 membered ring are having very high strain. So if you get the chance, you will become big, 5 membered ring. If I get the chance, I will become 6 membered ring. Like this we do. Rather ki in 4 member only you will come here. Sir, I will come here. 4 membered ring, still strain is there. Still strain is there. Okay, na? So we prefer to increase the size of the ring. Suppose I have tied you somewhere and I am giving you pizza, daily pizza, chicken biryani. Will you be tied there at one place? Hands tied, legs tied. Ab batao. Which one you prefer? You want to be freed or you want to eat chicken biryani like that only? What is your option? Let's see how many of you are saying. Suppose 2 conditions are there. You are tied, hands are tied, legs are tied, in the mouth, hanky is there, mouth closed. Okay? So this condition is there. And second condition is there. Okay? And I'm giving you pizza, whatever you want to eat, I will give you. Open the mouth and eat it, no problem. But you have to be like that only. And the second thing is, second option you are having, free. Pickles, tomato rice, gobi rice also you want. Okay, no problem. But you decide, then you will be tied. After eating, again I will tie you. Okay, na? No, this option, running away option is not there. So if you feel honestly, after thinking, suppose this condition is actually there, what do you think? What you will prefer? खाना मिला तो जिंदगी भर टाइट रहेगा, हाँ? मैच कौन देखेगा, हाँ? घूमने कौन जाएगा, गोवा जाएगा, हाँ? नहीं जाएगा. ठीक है? So what we are saying, everyone wants freedom. Everyone wants freedom. Chalo. ठीक है? So what is happening here? So everyone wants. So this is 4 membered ring, highly strained. Highly strained. They are saying what? I want to be free. Clear concept. ठीक है ना? So how we can do free? See, you will have to understand it a bit. See here, everyone. What we will do now? We will break the bond. We will break the bond. This bond from here, you have to break it. Achha, let's write the original question first. This was the original question. Okay, na? So what I will do, you can numbering like this, 1, 2, 3, your choice. And break the 2, 3 bond. Break the 2, 3 bond. 2, 3 bond break. 2, 3 bond break. and shift it, open this, shift it here like this. So you will get a diagram like this. This bond gone, check here, this bond gone, and open and connect it. Are you getting this point? Everyone see it nicely. Are you getting this point? Initially you were having this. See, this condition was there. Now we will use smart board. This is the benefit. See, initially this condition was there. Now what I said, I will break 2,3 bond and I will connect it here. 2,3 bond gone. Now how many membered ring you are having? 5. Are you getting this point or not? We are having undo option also and redo option also. So we can do both. See, again I am going to 4 membered ring. So break 2,3 and go to 1. Is it okay? देख लो. ठीक है? So easy, very easy. See, 4 membered ring, break the bond, 2,3 bond break, make 5 membered ring. That's it. Okay. So now we are making the ring. So my ring will be like this. ठीक है ना? Or in a nice way, if I want to draw, nice way I can draw. ठीक है ना? Then where will be the carbocation? You see, where will be the carbocation? Carbocation on 2. His bond you have broken. See bro here. This bond you have broken. This positive charge will come here because he is deficient now. So this positive charge comes here. This positive charge comes here. Or you can make it in a nice way, 5 membered ring. Anywhere you can put positive charge because it is a symmetrical diagram. Is it okay? देख लो. ठीक है? Now let's take one example. Similarly, suppose you are having a 5 membered ring. You try this on your own. Suppose this is a positive charge. Suppose this is, see again. Positive charge is outside the ring. Positive charge is outside the ring. Then we do expansion. See again. ठीक है ना? What will happen? Can you do it again? 1, 2, 3. Which bond you will break? बोलो. Which bond you will break? Which bond you will break? Which bond you will break? 2, 3. Which bond you will break? 2, 3. And then what? You do like this. Which bond you will break? 2, 3. And then you connect. Getting the point? Then this bond is deleted. So you will get how many membered ring? Again we can do undo. See, this is the 5 membered ring having positive charge outside. 5 membered ring having positive charge outside. Now I am breaking 2, 3 and making it like this. So now you have a 6 membered ring. Positive charge will go on which position? See, his bond gone. Second carbon bond gone. Second carbon bond gone. ठीक है ना? So this will become a 6 membered ring. You can put positive charge anywhere because this is a symmetrical compound now. ठीक है? So these two examples we can see for ring expansion. These two examples we can do for ring expansion. Positive charge should be outside. ठीक है? Is it okay? देख लो. No, it is not that. That only I was saying na, ki in NCERT also there is, I don't think ki there is a heading or some explanation ki rearrangement we are doing. In some of the questions they have already done it. They don't tell, they do it. You understand? So for that we are doing it. Okay. Come to the next part now, ring contraction. What you will see in case of ring contraction, you know. Ring contraction is just reverse, but it is like this, ki positive charge is on the ring. Positive charge is on the ring. Like see, you are having a positive charge here on the ring itself. On the ring itself. Again same thing. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is a 4-membered ring. See what magic will happen now. Manas, this we study in Bayer's angle strength theory. Take it up. Everyone wants to be slim and fit, neither lean nor fat. Take it up. So this is the concept. You want to be slim, neither lean, very lean, nor very fat. Take it up. So there is a Bayer angle strength theory. From that they tell us if 5-6 membered rings are more stable. So everyone wants to become 5-6. If you are 7, decrease it. If you are less, increase it. If you want to understand that Bayer angle strength theory, we think like this. Dekho yahan pe. You can think a bit. I will tell you how. See here. What is the hybridization of this carbon? sp3. What is the hybridization of this carbon? Or on the other slide, I will tell you. See. This is your sp3 carbon. What should be the angle? Now tell quickly. What should be the angle of this carbon? Can you tell? What should be the angle? This is the Bayer angle strength theory. I am telling you why 3-membered, 4-membered rings are unstable. So what is the angle which we expect here? Batao. sp3 carbon, what should be the angle? 109, 109.5 you can say. But what angle you are having now? What angle you are having now? 90. So how much strain is there? 29.5 I think. What do you say? 19.5. So 90, 100. So you have a strain of 19.5 degree. Take it up. Come to 5-membered ring. Again you are having sp3. Again you are having sp3. What is the expected angle? 109.5. How much angle you have now? You know this? How much angle you have now? 108. We say in pentagonal, the angle is this one, angle is what? 108. So now the strain is less. Strain is less. It is only 1.5. Like this we say. 60 degree is not there. 108 degree I think. Take the maths, a bit maths. But the logic is clear. Is the logic clear? In this case, reverse. Here we have 60 degree, bro. This is 60 degree. sp3, 109.5 expected, and the angle is what? Equilateral triangle, 60 degree. So the here angle strain is maximum, 59 degree strain is there. Okay? Like this. So this is your Bayer angle strength theory. From this, here we come to know that 5-6 membered ring are more stable. Okay? Out of the topic, so we are not going in this. Let's come back. So again you have to do the same thing. What you have to do? Break 2-3 and connect it. This time you are doing like this, see? So this 2-3 bond will come here. This 2-3 bond will come here. And this will be omitted. This is like opening and closing of gate. Home gate, you know na? Gate is there, you open it, you close it. It is happening like this. You can think. So see, from where we started. We started from here. 4-membered ring. Positive charge on the ring. Unstable. So I reduced the ring size. Why I am reducing, I will tell you. But first you try to understand how reduction is there. Clear? Whose bond gone? Second carbon bond gone. What is left? this is left. Second carbon bond gone, this is left. Now this is CPM, exceptionally stable. We will not go in detail, but this is cyclopropyl methyl carbocation. This is exceptionally stable. Now, what reasons are there? They say dancing resonance, they say resonance, although it is not visible clearly, but you keep in mind that this structure is highly stable. This structure is highly stable. They will not ask you, but you just try to know this. 3-2 bond you have to break and make it like this. Okay? 7-membered, come to 7-membered, that is easy to understand. This is 7-membered. You put a bond on any atom, your choice. Suppose I am having positive charge here. Can you do on your own? Try. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Which bond you will break? 2, 3. Check once. Quickly. Correct, Manas. Strain increases in 4 to 3. But I told you, this carbocation is exceptionally stable. They say dancing resonance. What happens actually, I don't want to go in detail of this. It happens like this. Carbocation means a vacant p orbital. And here we have a sigma bond. These starts overlapping here. So this is an exceptional case, you can say. These starts overlapping and resonance happens here. Like this. So this CPM is exceptionally stable. This CPM is exceptionally stable. You will not find in NEET syllabus. So that's why this 4-membered ring is converted into this. Other places it will not happen. Is it okay? Now someone is saying, sir, tropylium ion is stable. Is this tropylium? See it carefully. Where are the pi bonds? Moodu pi bonds missing. Is it okay? Now 7-membered is not stable. I want 6-membered. So this bond, this is like a gate. Break it and connect it here. Break it and connect it here. And this bond gone. Check it. So let's do undo. So initially I was here. 7-membered ring. Can you see it? I want to make it 6-membered. Break 2, 3. Break 2, 3 and connect at 1. 1 will get the bond. 2 will lose the bond. Okay? See, we are here. Break 2, 3 and connect 1, 3. 2, 3 bond gone. Positive charge. Same logic. Positive charge will come on 2. So what we are having? We are having a 6-membered ring like this. See, this 2 is not the part of the ring. This is outside. Positive charge will come here. Positive charge will come here. You can say this was 1, this was 3 and this was 2. 1, 3 connected. And positive charge on 2. So that's all about ring contraction. CPM is highly stable, so we are making it. Otherwise, we will not make anything like this. So just check it. You have to also do break 2, 3, connect 1, 3, positive charge on 2. Is it okay? And how you will identify whether you have to do ring expansion or ring contraction? How will you identify whether you have to do ring expansion or ring contraction? You can think like this, where is the positive charge? If positive charge is outside, expansion. Positive charge is on the ring, contraction. And we know this also. Okay, if 4-member is there, I will go for 5. 5 is there, I will go for 6. From 5 we will not come to 4. Only we have the problem in 4-membered ring. From 4 I can go to 5 also, and from 4 I can go to 3 also. But difference is there if positive charge is on the ring, outside the ring. Clear? So originally this question was this, something modified in the question. Originally this question was like this. This is the question, and this question was like this. Okay? These are the questions. Okay? While solving, we have modified it. Contraction, if you are doing from 7 to 6, stable, because 6 is stable, no? 7 to 6 stable. We are generally using this for 7 only. This 4 the exception. That's why we have done 7 to 6 only. This is important. Clear? 7 to 6. 6 is stable. So from 7, I want to come to 6. From 5, I will never do 4. From 5, I will never do 4. Okay? Only we have 7 to 6. Hanudeep. Raymond, which one you are comparing? 6, 5, you can say 6, 5, 4, like this. This 3 is totally different. Don't compare this anywhere. This is highly stable. Stable than phenyl rings also. Yeah, sorry, phenyl I'm saying. Benzyl, you know, benzyl. This carbocation is more stable than benzyl. I told you, no, exceptional behavior is there. This is benzyl, which you keep on saying till now. Array, resonance stabilized, resonance stabilized. 3 degrees more than benzyl. You know this. This CPM is more than all. Everyone's father. CPM is father. Father is here. Okay, na? But as this is out of syllabus, we don't study. As this is out of syllabus, we don't study. In expansion, carbocation out on, and in contraction, carbocation on the ring. Correct. You can say like this. Slowly and gradually they will complete. Classes were there or not today? Sabka. Okay? Clear? So that's all about it. This is about ring expansion and ring contraction. Ring expansion and ring contraction. Is it okay? Till this point you have the syllabus. Till this point you have the syllabus. Done? Okay? So you have to study this much. In the next class, we'll start with carbon ion. I think carbon ion is the next week syllabus. So we'll start carbon ion and we will do these questions. These questions are of carbon ion. So you are not able to do now, but after studying carbon ion, you will be very easily able to do this. Clear? From today only started, Srikara. Okay? Is it okay? Okay? So next week we are having from here. Done? Find in the groups if you get it. Okay? So we were mainly interested in this. So most of the questions should be on carbocation stability. Most of the questions should be on carbocation stability. Okay? So now again, sharing is caring. So let's share the PDF. Don't miss any of the lecture. I will tell you again, don't miss any of the lecture because you're not getting the lecture recorded also. And organic is very much connected. If you miss something, miss gone. Clear? If you miss something, miss gone. Holiday